What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and this is not really a review, so welcome to the channel where we are going to attack a DIY. Now remember, I told y'all we are going to start renovating this hall bathroom, so the first thing we're going to do is paint. That's probably the easiest thing for renovation, right? So right here we have this BEHR cabinet door paint right here. And this is a semi-gloss. This paint is called Carbon Copy. So you will see the color and everything. And we're gonna paint these cabinets right here. I'm ready to show you. All right, you guys, so there goes the cabinets right there. We are going to take the doors off. We are going to take the trim off at the bottom. On this project, I'm just going to show y'all how the color actually transpire with the wood grain and all that. If it come out real solid, or can you still see some transparency with the wood grain and the paint. After that, I will start looking into a double sink, and we will do a lot of plumbing when it comes to that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we will put a double sink here and 2 mirrors, change the lights. So this is basic, okay? When you start renovating your bathroom, this is probably the basic thing you could do. After that, we will start thinking about the flooring. As we work on the flooring, then we'll change the toilet, and then we'll change the tub and the lighting right here, okay? And this lighting is hooked up to this lighting, so it's 2 different lighting sources, but I want 3 different lighting sources. So I want this to be controlled by its own switch and have this controlled by its own switch. So we are going to get into it, and then the final project will probably be painting the wall. You see we have a little bit of paint there, but that's when we was testing. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and get into this so y'all can actually see how this BEHR product will turn out. Stay tuned, enjoy the little movie, and I'll catch y'all on the end results. All right, you guys, so here's the start of the Carbon Copy color. Basically, yeah, this is the old school cabinets. If you have like the wood grain cabinets, you can see you'll see a transparency of the wood grain through the paint, or will it come out a solid color? So we will figure that out once we're done with our second coat. The first coat will definitely be like light, so you will obviously probably see the grain, and you'll see a little bit of the old wood a little bit. But once we get to this second coat, it should turn out very nice. And this color is Carbon Copy. Once again, Carbon Copy BEHR paint. All right, so we did the first coat so far, and as you can see, we still got some streaks in there. We will complete this. Even if we have to do 3 coats, it will look very good. We have the doors to do next. Guys, so we are done with the first coat, and as you can see, definitely need to put 2 coats on, but it is looking really good. You see, we went a little heavy on this part, and you can still see the grain coming through, so it actually looks nice. And then we did the baseboard down there. All right, now we're about to put the second coat on. All right, you guys, so it's been a couple of hours, and we already put the second coat on, and I have to say that this looks awesome. Really, really, really good. My wife, she did all the work, and she loves painting, and as you can see, it looks really good. It looks brand new. Man, BEHR paint is the way to go. What you think we should do? Another coat or leave it like this?
I would leave it like this.
It looks good. We have to see the doors now. We might have to do a couple more coats on the doors because we got to do the front and the back of those. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. It looks very good. Not gonna lie to y'all. I'm excited. Now we just came into the room with the doors, and I have to say the doors look good. Now don't mind this, we didn't paint this part yet, but we did put a second coat. Y'all can see through the camera, and we have the light shining on it. This semi-gloss is so glossy, and you can still see some of the grain, which is okay. Well, I don't mind. You mind?
No.
She don't mind because it looks new. It looks brand new. Now, some places we do have to touch up, like right there, gotta be touched up. But as you can see, this stuff looks good. All right, you guys, all right. We are finally done the paint. The paint is finally finished. We actually like looking at the wood grain. It's pretty cool. So there you go right there. Might make that the thumbnail, who knows how I will do the thumbnail, but there you go right there. Cabinet and door, okay? Cabinet, door, and trim. So that's the paint that I am ready to start getting familiar with. And that's it, you guys. If you have any other questions about the paint, let me know. That will be it with the cabinets. Stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 may be the light. We will take this old light out of here, you guys. The light gotta go. So yeah, if you want to know the budget so far, the budget is $25 so far. That's how much we spent because that's how much this little can. If you basically need to do some updating or renovating, I think painting the cabinets and doing like slow close on the cabinets will be like a good choice to go for right now. So that's what we did, and it looks very good. Very, very good. All right, you guys, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe.